Hi, my name is Nelmarie van der Berg. I am from Makwasi in South Africa. I've been teaching in the foundation phase for 4 years and also am a certified TEFL teacher. I help students to use English in everyday circumstances, whether it is spoken or written. My lessons involve learning to speak and use the English language properly, writing and reading for meaning, and listening carefully for comprehension and letter sounds. We'll use materials like letter and word cards, lots of pictures and posters, as well as real objects, otherwise known as realia. Storybooks will also be occasionally used. Thanks for watching and your interest. I can't wait to meet you that we can work together to achieve your learning needs. Book a trial lesson with me so that we can start to reach your goals as quickly as possible. I look forward to start this journey with you.